card for a challenge which Simon Says Sam has currently, which is currently going on, and you can also do the challenge if you want. For the challenge, what you need to do is just grab Simon Says stamp and then make a card and just post it on the site, and then it's just a challenge, so you can get a shout out in the video. I'm gonna do an entry for the challenge, and that's what I'm gonna make today. So I'm gonna make a card related to it and for it actually. So the stamp sets I'm gonna use are these. This one is the Back to School Simon Says stamp. This one is the Color and Shine. And this one is Flip Flop Season. So I'm gonna use these three for the card. So let's get started. So guys, let's start. So what other things I've got is this. This is AC Cardstock Pastels. I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna use this one. Then, as you know, these stamp sets, the Flip Flop Season, the Color and Shine, the Simon Says stamp Back to School, and then I'm gonna use these ink pads which are from Prima. This one is Lemonade, this one is Apricot, and this one is Summer Vibes. I'm also going to use this cardstock which I've already cut to the size I need. I've got a pencil. So I've even got this Misty. This is a tool used for stamping perfectly. I've got some VersaFine ink. This is black, Onyx black. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is first measure. First we have to fold a card. I'm gonna use this tool which is called a bone folder. We're just gonna move this aside and fold it. So there it is. Take our cardstock. I'm going to use the sandy one and this one. So these are the two I'm going to use. What I'm going to do is make a sand kind of theme, and I'm going to make the sand out of this and the sea out of this. So I've done this like this, and I like the rough edge. You can do whatever lines you want. You can even cut it with a scissor, but I like it with tearing it, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna stick both of them so that it's kind of like a layer effect. And now I'm gonna cut the sea. So I'm gonna just draw it. So I'm going to tear this also. It will look a little bit natural. So this is how it looks. Now you need to take your cardstock and first line these up. So you know where you like lining them up, and then you can just put this inside so it looks like the sea. So now I will stick this with the help of some quick dry tacky glue, and I'm first going to stick this, the sky, not the sky, the sea. Cut the excess. and this is how it looks. I love how it looks, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. So the next step is just gonna move that aside. To take this cards, the stamp set, I'm gonna use the sun. So now we're gonna need the Misty. Take out the magnets, and now I'm going to just keep it in the corner. So now I'm just going to keep it in the corner like so, and put the magnets. The magnets help them stay at the right position, and then I'm going to use the stamp set and the sun to make sure where I want it. So I want it right there, and I'm just going to close this and press a little so that it sticks on the right position. So I'm making this a little, letting it go a little outside, which is totally okay. And I'm gonna use the apricot, which is the orange. So I'm just gonna open this and put the ink on it. Just dab, dab, dab. Let me show you. And there. And now I'm just gonna close it. And there, it looks awesome. So now you need to clean it. I'm just gonna use a chamois. And now we're gonna put the smiley in place so that we can use our yellow, like so. And let's put that right there. Move the other one aside. This color is like so bright. Can you see the color? So now I'm just gonna put the ink on there. It's very bright. It's just few dabs, and let's do it. It looks adorable. So just clean it again and then pop it back in the plastic and put it back in the folder. So this is how it looks right now. So now we're gonna do the clouds, which are from this stamp set, and I'm gonna use these. So I'm just gonna line them wherever I want. I think like this. You can do it anywhere you want. I just like it right there. Let's put that there. And now I'm gonna use my blue ink, which is called the Summer Vibes. This is also a very bright color. And we're just gonna put some on the clouds. Oh, there. So that is how it looks. You can barely see it, but there you go. You can see it now. It's like a really light color because we only did the outlining. Just gonna remove these, and now we are gonna do the last and final stamp, which is going to be the slippers. And then we're also gonna put a statement. So don't forget that. So I've taken out the stamps I want. I have the summer. I have a little tiny hello summer. Just gonna write that right there. Then I have my flip-flops. Just gonna put it right there. So that's how it's gonna be. And I need to stamp this. So this thing is a little difficult. So first I'm gonna do the summer, and it's gonna be in black, as I told you, VersaFine. I'm gonna use VersaFine. Just some dabs and it'll be done. So just gonna do that, and bam, there you go. So now I'm gonna just remove the Summer. We're done with Summer. And now we are gonna do the flip-flops. So as you can see the little hello right there, we are also gonna use black for that. Just a tiny dab because it's really tiny. And there. Hello Summer. Just gonna move that aside. And now what I'm thinking to do is I'm gonna move this aside, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna stamp these on a piece of paper and then cut it and then stick it on there. So I've just taken a little scrap piece of turquoise paper, and these are gonna fit perfectly. I'm gonna stamp this in black so that you can see the turquoise. So now I'm just gonna stamp the flip-flops. Stamp it on here and there. Just wipe it with the chamois because we don't want it. We don't want the prints getting everywhere. So I've got these right here, and now I'm gonna cut these. So the flip-flops, I've cut them now, and we're gonna stick them on this right here. So I'm just gonna stick it with the tacky glue we used earlier. Just gonna put that right there. That right there. Okay, and the last and final step is to take this. This is stickles. This one is crystal, and we are gonna put it on the straps. So that is it for the video. This is the finished product. It looks adorable and I'm loving it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos like this, and share this video to your friends. So bye guys.